How's it going, everybody? I'm Zach, the news editor of Hot Rod Magazine, and I'm here with James from CPP to tell us all about this fantastic rear suspension kit that we've got. It's a Ford 9-inch base rear end kit that we're gonna throw in our Sta-Bil shop truck build.
So we have our complete rear suspension kit here, and
Nice.
It starts off with a Ford 9-inch rear hot rod style housing.
Okay.
And the housing has been built to the specs of this particular year model truck. You get your whole center section here, so you got your true track, you got your gear ratio of choice, with a 350, 370.
Okay.
Then you go into your brakes, got a rear brake system. This is a 12-inch rotor.
Okay.
So plenty of
Still
stopping power.
Massive
Yeah.
rear brakes.
Exactly, yeah. So
Awesome.
you got huge rotor in the back. You got a high quality caliper here, lots of clamping force on this caliper. Then you go into the leaf springs. So the leaf springs are, at a quick glance, they just look like a regular leaf spring.
Absolutely.
But this is actually a 3-inch wide leaf spring. There's actually a Teflon button in between them to prevent friction and noise. So this kit also includes all the hardware. So it comes with the front spring support, rear spring support. If you're on power tour, you're out on the road and something happens, you can go to your local hardware store, pick one of these up, and you're back on the road again.
That's awesome.
Same thing with like our pads. The pads are stuff that you can find readily on the shelf.
That's good. One of the things too I wanted to point out as well is actually the mounts, the purchase for the leaf springs. Unlike other companies you could go with for something like this, there is no template here. You hold this right up to where it needs to mount, you mark it, you drill your holes, you install this, you're done. There's no guesswork. Yeah. Also too, these little guys are hiding back here, but you guys also have your pre-bent brake lines, which I don't mind bending my own brake lines, but if I don't have to, I'm definitely not going to want to.
Exactly.
So you guys have taken out a lot of the work and actually have done it for the customer. This is a 31 spline axle.
Yep, 31 spline axle.
So this rear end will definitely hold up to quite a lot of power, even the power we're going to be throwing at it in our Sta-Bil shop truck. To stay up to date on all the progress of our Week to Wicked Sta-Bil shop truck build, make sure you visit hotrod.com and also search on social media for the hashtags Week to Wicked and Sta-Bil 0 to 60.